How's it going, everybody? It has been a wild couple of weeks. Pretty bummed I missed a week of filming, or a week of riding. I've been trying really hard to keep up with the posting one video a week, going on a ride at least once a week, but did not have a chance at all to ride last week, and thus did not post a video. So I'm bummed about that. Yeah, it's been pretty wild though. Been super busy, which seems counter, seeing as how I lost my job. So that's crazy. That's a big change. But I think it's gonna be alright. I've got a little side gig that's just become my main gig. As long as I can keep it going, get enough business, and keep things moving, then it may just stay that way. I don't know yet. So that's where things are. Yeah, I've been real busy actually since that all happened. That happened about 2 weeks ago, and so today, oh yeah, my battery died too, so I had to jump it. Had to jump start the bike. Fun. But today I'm headed to Uvas Reservoir. Never been there before, have no idea what to expect, if there's anything to see, if it's just a puddle, if it's dry wasteland. I have no idea. But figured I'd go check it out. Seemed like it could be interesting. Just snuck down Mount Madonna Road. I'm on Redwood Retreat. Pretty cool little back way to get from Santa Cruz, or Watsonville, I guess, more like, to Morgan Hill. A little dirt road. I almost wonder if it's a quicker way than even taking Hecker Pass these days. There's so many people on Hecker Pass all the time. Just slow moving. But probably can't jam up too fast up Mount Madonna Road. You gotta watch out for these turds taking up a whole lane, oncoming lane. But yeah, needless to say, I'm probably not going to be doing any big upgrades on the WR here for a while. Gotta make sure I don't run out of cash. But that's alright, these things really don't need it, right? Just hop on the bike and go. I mean, I've got a few creature comforts already that realistically, they do make a difference. They make the bike a lot more comfortable to ride. But in all reality, you don't really need anything for this bike. It'll take you anywhere you want to go, just as is, if you're willing to let it. And that's what's so great about them. So it's staying the way it is probably for a little while, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, we'll have to see how things go. I may or may not have more time to do some fun little adventures on this thing. Of course, I will not be probably purchasing a T700 anytime soon either, as much as I'd like to. but it is what it is. Hopefully this is all for the better. Just gotta go with it. In the meantime, try and have a good time. The Uvas RV park. Got yourself an RV. Go park it over there. There's also lots of wineries around here too. California, the land of wineries. This is a nice damn road. Uvas Dam Road. Real smooth, looks like it was done pretty recently. Should be a nice little spot over here from the looks of the surroundings. Uvas Reservoir this way. Didn't even have a chance to ride this week. It's Friday afternoon. Oh, there's the reservoir. Friday afternoon, and I thought there's no way I'm skipping another week. Let's get out there, and it's been said it's Friday. You ain't got no job, you ain't got shit to do. So here I am. This is the parking lot. See if there's anything else to see up this way. Well, I think that may be about what there is to see around here. But it was a fun little journey. Stay tuned to see what where we go from here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.